This is looking really, really bad. This is not working out the way we thought it would. Man, the paint is splattering.
We're Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
Hey guys, today we are talking about the 15 things not to do while painting your cabinets in your RV or your home, wherever. We weren't really prepared.
It was so bad.
It was tough. We didn't prepare mentally. We didn't really think through what we would need for it. And something I love about Jenna, though, is she goes for it. Something that can be frustrating about Jenna is she just goes for it. So I sort of reluctantly said, I will help, but just try to think through the process, get the things we need, and I'll let you lead us, and I will help.
I didn't do any of that.
It was tough. So we're going to hopefully help you guys avoid some of the mistakes we made. It actually turned out really good.
Yeah, we love it. I'm happy we did it.
Just
but
don't
not
want to do it
during
again.
the process.
All right, let's get to it.
All right, the day is finally here where we are going to take down the old brown cabinets and take them off and detach them and paint them with a primer and then white.
Rule number 1, do not underestimate the job. It's not rocket science, but it's still a big job.
I have 48 hours to paint all of these cabinets and hardware before our friends come back from their trip. We're staying and house sitting, so we have 48 hours to not be in the RV, to sleep at night, and only sleep in their house because I don't want to smell the fumes at night. So let's see if I can get this paint job done.
Number 2, don't be in a rush.
First cabinet down. Got some of them already. We are heading to the store. I'm bringing a cabinet to show them, so if they have any advice of what kind of paint to use. We just talked to someone here at Lowe's and she helped us because we thought we knew what we were gonna get and we just don't know nothing about painting.
Number 3, do not cheap out on paintbrushes. Our cheap foam brushes were ripping and the little pieces were getting in the paint.
Number 4, do not forget to buy primer. This is very important because it helps seal the surface and improve paint adhesion.
All right, here goes nothing.
Here we go.
Looks a lot harder than I thought.
Number 5, do not forget to clean and lightly sand surfaces.
So we just took off all the door handles off the cabinets, sanded them down, and are ready for their primer paint coats.
Number 6, do not forget to stir the paint. This helps you get that smooth finish.
Okay, maybe not. I've only painted something one time. It was in my classroom, and it was a cabinet. How do I get it off? Ah!
Nice.
Oh gosh! Oh no! I told you.
Number 7, do not let spiders crawl on wet paint. If you have the luxury of doing some of this indoors and letting stuff dry inside, do it.
Ew, there is a spider stuck on our cabinet.
Number 8, do not leave cabinet doors out to dry on a windy fall day. We spent some time picking out leaves out of wet paint and repainting to smooth it all out.
Number 9, do not wear regular clothing. Paint gets on stuff and it doesn't really come out.
Number 10, do not get discouraged when the first coat looks bad.
This is looking really, really bad. I'm like starting to regret it. It doesn't look any better than before. Round 2 of primer. This is seriously the worst paint job I've ever seen. It's so embarrassing.
Number 11, do not forget to put down towels or tarps.
Oh man, the paint is splattering. This is not working out the way we thought it would. It is not good. We're getting paint all on the ground, on the tables, on the chairs, on our food, on our blenders. Like, it's just a mess. We don't know what we're doing. We should have hired someone. Never have done it. I regret it immediately. I see on Instagram all the time all these perfect little white RVs. Well, we should not have done this.
Number 12, do not wear jewelry. Please take your wedding ring off.
Number 13, do not forget that you'll smell paint for a while.
We definitely need to open that vent up and let some air in because it is getting stanky up in here.
All right, well, at least the coats are looking a little bit better.
These. Back on those.
Jeremy.
I'm pissed off. I don't understand. I don't get it.
Why? How?
It doesn't make sense. This can't go in there when this has to go this way. I don't get it.
So, did we screw a cabinet on wrong?
I don't know.
We just spent 20 minutes doing the wrong thing, but nothing matches the cabinet.
Number 14, do not forget to label cabinet doors before removing them.
All right, baby, what's the resolution?
I completely forgot about this one. I thought this was two separate pieces.
We thought we had all the cabinets
Not
in the
bad.
RV with us right now, but one is still out there. So we were like, where is it?
This
Where's
is
it
just
going to fit?
a one door.
Okay.
Number 15, do not leave the paint can open.
So vinegar on concrete. I mean, it looks like it's good. Maybe a rinse of the scrubber.
Last tip, we really struggled when we were painting the edges and got paint on our floor and ceiling, so definitely consider using painter's tape.
All right, we just got home after a fun day of climbing. Let's see the cabinets now that they're dry and closed. Here we go. Jenna, come on in. First look. Oh my gosh.
They actually look good.
Ooh, they do look good.
Wow, all that moaning and groaning.
Let's get some more light up in here.
Wow. They
Nice.
do. Oh, that's
And
pretty.
brown over here.
It's okay.
It's a
One
funny
step at a
mix.
time.
Look at the pretty cabinets. Good morning, everyone. It's been 48 hours since we painted, and the cabinets actually look good. Jeremy and I actually like them. Thank goodness. Once we put the handles back on, the cabinets hung back up. Everything meshed well together. We did the 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of Valspar paint. It actually looks good.
Yay! Look how nice it looks. I love the white and the linen and the grays. Thank you for watching. We sure hope you laughed and enjoyed it, and most importantly, learned what to do about painting in the RV.
So, thanks for watching. Like the video, comment if you have one, and please subscribe to the channel for more weekly travel videos.
Bye!
See ya.
Woo!
Oh, it's really deep. Ready? Look. It's 6 feet. It's 6 feet, like I said.
How cold?
It's cold. Woo!
Proud of you.